In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Breakdown by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
That's the iconic sound of Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. That was their first hit called Breakdown, and I'm going to show that to you today. And by the way, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and please leave a comment or hit me up with any questions you got, and I'd love to hear from you. So listen, A minor and G is only 3 chords in it, A minor, G, and F. We love that, right? The lick in the beginning is kind of cool. As on guitar, but let's talk about the chords first. It's a little Wurlitzer move there, Wurlitzer piano, and then the guitar work just goes from A minor to G. Now you can do this a couple of ways, but if you're a beginner and you want to do first position, just jump from that A minor to a first position G. It's alright if you love me. It's alright if you don't. Okay, then we get to the chorus. So,
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
The way that verse feels is just an A minor and G back and forth. I do an F major 7th there. I like the sound of that right before the chorus and also in the actual verse itself. So back and forth from A minor to G. Verse. F major 7. You can work off that F a little bit if you want. Mostly piano stuff in there, but for the purpose of acoustic guitar, I like to work off that F major 7th, which is just the open E with an F with an open E. So he works off that, we'll hammer on, and then that also sets up the chorus, which was A minor G, F, G, A minor G, F. Major 7th. It's alright. that that ending of the chorus, if you're working off that F major 7th, if you hammer on your second finger, I like the sound of that, especially for acoustic. And you can also add that G note there. So it's F major 7th, G in the bass. These are all mostly chordal stuff on the piano, so that's why I'm mentioning it. But for the other options you want to do, you can also go up to this A minor. If you like the sound of that, some people do. The low down one is, it's almost like you could take the A minor and just go. If you're a beginner, just let it ring out. And then second position, I kind of like that sound. That's more of an electric guitar style. And then the lick is so that's like slow motion. I sometimes do that. I go, which is B string and the G string. Another version of A minor. So that's a fun song to play if you're playing even with a couple of acoustic guitars and you want to just jam out on the Tom Petty thing. Just get that rhythm going. It's a shuffle. Feel that? Yeah. Then if you want to get your attitude on, it's alright if you love me. It's alright if you don't. So that's Breakdown, kind of reimagined for acoustic guitar, and I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.